Good evening all. Today I come with a printer of 319. See, the model is 319. Problem is that the paper does not come out. So what I do, I check everything, but there is no problem or there is no issue I got. After that, then I try. This ruler has some problem. This ruler may be drying problem. So what I do, I take some water here and just I dip this and slightly wet my cotton. Then I just trying to rub without this way. I want to rub this one also. There is a two roller and rub it gently. Maybe roller has some drying issue. I clean it properly and rolling the ruler and rub it very carefully. Then I switch on the printer. I already opened the scanner also and I keep it here, the scanner portion. Now I going to print. See, now paper is coming out. So in that way I solve the problem. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with everyone. Thank you.